Hey guys, so we're at the South Bend 13 today. We are cutting a part for our Delta Rockwell lathe. Um, if you remember, I purchased a couple Delta Rockwell lathes. One had the taper attachment and one didn't. And I needed to make this part. When you have the taper attachment on the machine, they give you a different style part. So I am going to sell the other Delta Rockwell lathe, and I'm not ready to put the taper attachment on this lathe yet. So I'm going to go ahead and make a duplicate part like this. And just so I could kind of show you guys what I'm talking about, this is the part that works with the taper attachment. This replaces this part, and this goes onto your cross slide. It slides in. Well, there you go. It slides in. Your taper attachment attaches to it, and that's what pushes your cross slide back and forth, depending on what kind of taper you have set. Well, so far, I've cut the 1-inch portion of this piece out, and I've drilled it out, and I used the boring bar to get it to this inner dimension here. Now I'm going to go ahead and bore the hole all the way through and trim this down to fit the diameter and the length of the larger section of the part. Hey guys, so here we are. We're at the Rockwell 11-inch lathe. This is the part I've been working on, the cross feed retaining bushing. Original, my replication. The original has a V-groove in it. There's a grub screw up in here that holds it from coming out. And I didn't make a V-groove, I kind of just made an indentation there, or I just turned it a little bit smaller diameter for the grub screw. You can see the finish is quite a bit better on the original part, but it's the first time I've made something in about 20 years, so I'm pretty satisfied. I used O2 tool steel, and this kind of just slides in here. Grub screw holds it. There's a washer. And 2 backing nuts. I'm going to install that and adjust everything off camera, but there you have it. Job well done. Now I can finish putting this guy back together and put her on Craigslist so she can go to her next happy home. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, throw me a like or subscribe, and I'll be doing many more projects. Matter of fact, I got a little surprise down here. That's for something that's should be coming in the next week or two. I'm not going to show you the other parts. I'm going to keep you guessing. But have a great weekend. Stay warm. Thanks.